What's up everyone, the Opposition is here to share with you the greatest discoveries of biology in 2018. And if you are new here, consider subscribing. Intro? Yes please. Scientists mapped the complete nanoscale communication structure showing how all the 135,000 neurons are connected with one another. Scientists gave the crown of biggest bird of all time to the elephant bird of Madagascar. It was 3 meters tall. An entirely new form of life was discovered from a tiny sample of soil from Nova Scotia. It was named Hemimestigot, which is not an animal or plant or fungus or anything else. It is one of its kind. The Earth Biogenome Project was launched with the aim of sequencing all the 1.5 million living organisms in Earth over a 10-year period of time. And scientists of UK have completed the 1 lakh biogenome project, which will help the patients with genetic and hereditary problems. And finally, a new polio vaccine was discovered which does not need refrigeration. It can be just freeze dry, which is amazing for its transport to the remote areas. That's it for today guys. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.